Today, the Arizona Supreme Court heard oral arguments in a case that challenges the city of Phoenix for a law that enforces non-discrimination by businesses.
Cronkite News reporter Brush Nib was in court this morning and joins us live in the broadcast center.
The two artists who own the company Brush Nib sued the city of Phoenix over a law that requires businesses not to discriminate against anyone. The artists take issue with being forced to create wedding invitations for same-sex couples. This morning, dozens of people supporting the artists gathered outside Arizona's Supreme Court. Just before, 7 Arizona Supreme Court justices heard arguments on a case questioning the city of Phoenix's compliance with free speech and religion rights. Brianna Koski and Joanna Duca are the owners of Brush Nib Art Studio, a small business that creates hand paintings and calligraphy. In 2016, they sued the city of Phoenix over a law they say forces them to violate their religious views.
We love using our artistic talents to promote our religious beliefs about marriage. The sacred covenant of marriage between a man and a woman reminds us of the relationship between Jesus Christ and his church.
But no same-sex couple asked for Brush Nib's services before they filed the lawsuit. They did it preemptively.
It can't discriminate based on who its customers are. It can't shut the door because somebody is has a different race or sex or religion or sexual orientation, disability, and so on.
The penalties for violating this code are hefty, including up to 6 months in jail and a fine of up to $2,500. Brush Nib's attorney Jonathan Scruggs argued the case is about free speech rights for everyone.
It's not about who walks in the door, it's about what messages they're asked to convey. And that should protect all artists. That wouldn't force an LGBT artist, for example, to convey some message criticizing same-sex marriage if asked to do so by a religious group. So these freedoms go both ways.
Dozens of individuals and organizations filed briefs in support of the art studio, including Arizona Attorney General Mark Brnovich and 7 Republican leaders from other states. But attorney for the city Eric Frazier says it's not a partisan issue.
The only issue that this case addresses is whether businesses can discriminate, and that's something that should not fall on partisan lines.
A spokesman for the Arizona Supreme Court told me it could take up to 3 months for the justices to issue a decision. The art studio is still running and following the city law. The artists say they have received requests from same-sex couples but have not responded. In the broadcast center, Brush Nib, Cronkite News.